Hello everyone. So today we will see how different types of argument can be used in functions. We have seen four different types of arguments. Today we will see how those arguments can be used and what is the order of different argument if I use all the arguments together in a function. So basically there are two things. First is function definition. Second is function call. So at the time of function definition, what is the order of arguments, and at the time of function call, what is the order of arguments. First we will see what is the order of arguments at the time of function definition. So in the function definition, this is function prototype. So here I have to use all the positional argument first, then I have to use all the default argument after that. So I think it will be clear to you. First, positional argument. Second, all the default argument. Now let us see second thing, function call. So I have taken different examples for function call. All the examples which are green are correct and all the examples which are in red color are wrong. So at the time of function call, all the positional arguments should come first, then all the keyworded arguments. So as you can see in the first example, there are two keyworded arguments, print and cc. So print is going to principal and cc is going to cc. So this is my correct function call. Now let us see second example. You can see we have given default value to time and rate. So if we don't give time and rate, in that case time and rate will be taken by interest function by default. But we have to give print and cc to the function call. If we don't give print, principal or cc to the function call, then our function call will be wrong and it will give error to us. Second, I am giving principal and cc as keyworded arguments and I am giving rate. So this is also correct because I have given all the three things and all the three things are keyworded arguments. So I have not given any positional argument till now. Third is cc, rate and principal. Here also all the arguments are keyworded arguments and principal and cc which are required are given. So this is also correct. Fourth example. I have given 5000. So first positional argument will go to first positional argument in the function definition. Second positional argument will go to second position. Fine. So this is also correct. And again I have given rate which is 0.05. If I have not given it 0.05, that it would have been 0.09 as by default. So these are my four correct examples. Now let us see some wrong examples. This is my fifth example where I have given rate. Fine. Then I have given 5003. So my rule is breaking. My keyworded argument is coming first. You can see these rules. So in this function call, my keyworded arguments are coming first and my positional argument are coming second. So this is wrong. As per our rule, first should be positional, second should be keyworded. If all the arguments are keyworded, then it's fine. If all the arguments are positional, then it's fine. If I am using both together, then my positional argument should come first and then my keyworded arguments. Let us consider our next example. Here I am giving 5,000, fine, 5,000 will go to principal. Then I am giving principal. This principal is not there. You can see here, there is no principal name argument. That is why it will give me error. What will be the error? The principal argument is not found in the function definition. Let us consider next example where I am giving 500, fine, 500 will go to 500 principal. Then I am giving time and rate. Okay, time and rate will go to time and rate. But where is my CC? CC should also come here. That is why this will also give me error. Now let us take one more example by ourselves. Okay. Now we will write by our own. So interest, then I'm passing 500, then I'm passing time, then I'm passing rate, then I'm giving CC. So this is wrong because first argument will go to first argument. And these are the positional argument, keyworded argument. This is fine, but this is again positional. So all the positional argument come first as per our rule. This rule. So this example is wrong. This is again wrong. Now a question for you. Let us write our question. You have to find whether this function call is correct or not. You have to find this function call is correct or not. If it is correct, then what will be the output? This is your question. Thank you for watching. Solve this question. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comments. Thank you.